Always Happy, Avyakt Stage by Sister Mohini.
ओम शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में
Om Shanti.
स्वागत है।
All of you are welcome to Avyakti Parivar. Today, 30th December. Today's topic is Always Happy, Avyakt Stage. Now we shall listen from Sister Mohini.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
सारी जीवन में
During the whole life,
बाहर की परिस्थितियां,
internal stage and
का मतलब
outside
ये जो हमारे हाथ में
situations, both
परिस्थिति है,
other outside situations are not in our hand. Parsthiti.
जरूर प्रभाव पड़ता है।
And definitely outside situations affects the stage of the self.
परिवर्तन कर सकते हैं।
But we can change the outside situation by the stage of inner self.
ये सब मन में प्रश्न तो आते ही हैं।
So there are various questions like that. We also know that stage of self, there is a power.
बाबा रोज हमको मुरलियों के
Baba always explains us through Murli that self-sovereignty, how can we make our self powerful.
परंतु उन्नति कैसे हो?
Not only that I am okay, but how do we ascend ourselves?
इसके लिए हमें अभ्यास तो करना ही
How
होगा।
do we move towards ascending stage? So we have to do we have to make an effort.
ऐसी परिस्थिति थी, मैं बहुत व्यस्त थी, मेरे
So
ऊपर
there are
बहुत
you can't say that there was a situation like that and that is why my self stage is like that.
पर कम से कम
We can say
1% भी
that
दिन में इम्प्रूवमेंट तो आनी चाहिए।
we kept the self stage same, but did we improve that? Did we move towards ascending stage? So Baba says that we have to move towards ascending stage through our through imbibing the lessons and the dharnas. One is we see personal situations. Second, we see the situations of the world. From both the way, situations of the world
तो बहुत छोटी लगनी चाहिए।
compared to situations of the world, our own personal situations should be very, very small. But if we increase the stage of the self, according to the situation that I have, did my self stage was matching with the outside situation I had,
तो हम
or
आगे
there were thoughts about the situations only.
कब तक में
So Baba says that will you stay in that stage until end,
जो हमने आज किया
or will you move towards ascending
तो
stage?
एक होता है
So one is
होता है विस्तार
essence and second is
तो आज का फिर हम जो होमवर्क कल के लिए ले रहे हैं अव्यक्त स्थिति का
today's
तो मैं
homework for the Avyakt stage is,
सोचती हूँ तो ब्रह्मा बाबा
when I think about the stage of
सामने
Avyakt,
दृश्य आ जाते हैं
various scenes of Brahma Baba comes in front of me. How Brahma Baba,
जितना बाबा का कारोबार भी उस समय
uh, uh, there was a big business also at that time. There were many brothers and sisters also. And at this age, how, while doing all the business or all the responsibilities of the yajna, Baba used to answer all the letters. Baba used to go into kitchen.
लेकिन बाबा का अंदर की जो यात्रा थी अंदर
But Baba's internal pilgrimage, spiritual pilgrimage, was such that we never see the heaviness on the face. Today we see that if something happens, then immediately the face becomes heavy, and even we forget that time. And then waste thoughts starts coming. So then we are not able to become obedient. So if we want to become obedient, then we have to increase the stage of the self. For example, every day we have to see that have I increased my stage by 0.5% every day or 1%? You might have seen many Brahma Baba's pictures that he was helping in all the work at the same time, and there was an internal reflection going on within his mind, and that's how he achieved the stage of Avyakta. But through our experience, we can say that due to the situation, many thoughts keeps coming, and we get entangled or drawn into the outside situation, and we are not able to make real effort for the self. So we have to move ahead with one step, like we used to give news to the Brahma Baba. Baba used to give some work to us, service to us, and we used to tell him in the evening with details. And then Baba used to smile, and Baba used to say that Baba understood within 2 minutes only. Sometimes there are situations where we explain the things in detail to the Baba. But if we are avyakt, then we will explain with essence. And to become avyakt, we have to make an effort. And this effort actually is not hard, but actually it increases the happiness. So I found a lot of difference. So the energy of the self stage, it affects the outside environment, and if situation remains same also, because you remain healthy, you remain stable, it will be easy for you to cross the situation. Otherwise, we'll have the questions of the West, why it happened, how did it happen. Today also Baba said about the West thoughts. So by seeing the Brahma Baba with detached observation, we have to give Sakash to everyone. And in Murli also Baba explains various things. What is obedience? What is disobedience? But if the soul is not able to do, then the reason is there is no power within the soul. That's what Baba says. The power of knowledge, power of yoga. Knowledge is there, but power is not there. So if power is there, then the self stage will be better.
बहुत attention रखिए यात्रा
So
पर।
we have to
और
keep lot of
उससे
attention,
बहुत खुशी होगी, इंद्रिय सुख होगी कि मैंने कल से आज में इस
and we will also be happy that when I kept attention on this self stage, then my progress is visible. So we have to remain beyond the Vyakt. So whatever scenes of drama, by seeing that scene while interacting in the drama, our stage remains of Avyakt. And if we are able to maintain that, always think, Baba is seeing me. Then Baba will smile or Baba will complain. So that's what Baba says, Yad or Faryad. So Baba says, with understanding, we are doing pilgrimage with all. So if we want to go together with Baba and all, then this effort of Avyakt stage is very important. So we will check whether we are focusing on Avyakt stage or we are mostly in the Avyakt stage while doing the actions whole day. So keep smiling and play your part, and we will become world benefactor. If we keep these thoughts, then we will be able to maintain the stage. Otherwise, there could be possibilities of desperation. The waves of disappointments may be there. So if there is no attention, then there will be some tension of some matter. So Baba says, do everything with happiness, peace, and remembrance of the Father, and with attention. So on this subject, we have to make some effort. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om
Avyakt
Shanti.
Sthiti.
Avyakt stage,
Sthiti ki parak
the way we judge Avyakt stage, for those people, their actions, we will see Avyakt stage. And while doing each action through sense organs, they will experience supersensuous joy. And their eyes, facial expressions, and activities all the time will be in the supersensuous joy.